Hello everyone, this is Sai Krishna in love with marketing. Marketing technological tools have become so popular these days, and I don't want to explain you the importance of it, why they are important, and how they have been, evolving over a period of time. Now, I want to talk about how to design a very efficient marketing technology for an organization. The very first step that we have to look at while designing an efficient martech for your organization is consider the customer journey map. So let's assume that the typical stages of any organizations are like awareness to advocacy. There might be consideration, evaluation, purchase, and then advocacy, right? So these are the typical stages for any customer journey. Now consider the touch points in each of these stages. So you got to list on all the touch points in each and every stage. Then you will have an understanding on what are the touch points that you should be able to enhance or automate or better it in every way possible, and also try to get reports at each and every stages or each and every touch point. Now let's say that at awareness stage you have touch points like email and calling. Then you will have to look at email marketing tools and calling tools. Let's say email marketing, you have number of tools, MailChimp or MailModo, which is something very recent one, but it has got a lot of features inside it. Okay, now the other factor while designing this martech stack is that you got to be very careful in terms of verifying their ability in integrating with the CRM. In B2B marketing, CRM is a place where all the data is held. If it is B2C, probably data management platforms, DMPs, there will be different platforms or customer data platforms. But B2B, primarily it's going to be CRM. So while choosing any tool, you got to check its ability to integrate with your CRM. And the second aspect is that its ability to generate reports. Okay, and the third aspect is that its accuracy or the KRAs and the KPIs that you want, are they available in it or not. And the fourth one is about the features. What does the tool do? If it is mailing, what are the features? Does it have follow-up features? Does it have artificial intelligence embedded such that it can give automated responses based upon some predefined responses? Okay, so features, then you will have to look at that. Considering all these, you can definitely develop a very good marketing technology at each and every stage. Let's say AI conversational tool that you are looking at, and you have an email marketing tool. Now when someone comes to your website, if there is a tool to de-anonymize the visitor, that information will go to some sales team, or and then prospecting can be done by some other tool, which sales team will be able to have a handy information about the visitor, tentative visitors who came to your website. And then there should be a workflow where it can send some enhanced information or something very relevant information based upon the kind of web page that they have visited. Or even let's say you have a de-anonymizing visitor. Someone comes and they will be surprised to see that, okay, this web page knows that I am from this company, and then there is a conversational chatbot which opens up and says that, hey guy, hey, you are from this organization, can I help you, how can I help you? Or it can, these conversational charts can replace the form submissions as well, because they ask very relevant based upon the inputs given by the website visitor. And then the moment some inputs are given to the chart bot, and then someone can pick up the chart, or someone can capture data, customers data or prospects data over there, and someone from sales team can take the conversation from there. So this integration, this ability of making this customer experience as frictionless as possible, and integrating data at each and every platform, because let's say a person comes from an advertisement and comes to your website, and then some other time they again visit your website by looking at your organic blog post or something, and attribution is something that will play a major role, will make you understand that this guy has come through our ads. That's the first touch. And then the repetition has happened because of the blog article, and he has spent this much time, probably this is his area of interest. And that gives a lot of information about people who are coming onto your website, and it will empower you and your sales team to make a conversation more appropriately. And finally, it's all about making the customer journey as frictionless as possible. Look at each and every stage of the customer journey and try to make that stage delightful and more valuable to the customer journey, such that he will go to the next stage. Okay, so when someone visits your website, your objective has to be that you have to provide value on the web page. The kind of value could be some information, some insights, or even something that they are looking for, based upon the inputs that they give on the chatbot also. The very objective of the marketing technological tools is to make sure that you are delivering customer experiences that are frictionless and delightful.